Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get QR code for Google Authenticator. First of all, let me apologize for taking a video like this, and the reason is Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings. So we're going to make the best out of it. Now, when you come to the bottom right and you click on this plus icon, it gives you two options. One is to scan a QR code. Now we need to get this QR code, right? So let me show you how to get that. We'll leave that right there. Get my other device. So right here, I have Instagram open, and basically you do the same thing with any app you need the QR code for to basically connect with Google Authenticator, okay? Whether it's Facebook, TikTok, for Instagram, you just do this. Come here to the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then click on these three horizontal lines. Basically, we want to access settings, okay? So click on Account Center, and then come here, click on Password and Security, okay? Now, from here, you get this option, two-factor authentication. It's usually similar in all the other apps, even TikTok. Now here, choose Instagram. Okay, if in your case it's Facebook, select Facebook. Now come here and choose Authentication app. As you can see, Google Authenticator is mentioned. And then click here on Next. And then all you need to do on this page is click on View Barcode or QR code. As you can see, we get a QR code. I'll use my other phone to go ahead and scan. As you can see, I scanned that and we just added Instagram as well. And it's really that easy and simple.